right, so yeah, I just was able to take the last one up at 1:30 because they're stopping the lift at 1:30 now because of the heat. So first we had like meters of snow, and now we have the heat coming in. So yeah, I guess the boys are being careful and expecting like pretty big avalanches due to the heat, right? But yeah, so I just got in there in time, just in time for my afternoon ski shenanigans. So so far so good. I have not been skiing that much because I've been involved in way too much work doing computer shit. So yeah, anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.